No doubt there is a lot of conflicting advice on the pickleball courts. However, I'm sure that most people would agree that by hitting a deep serve, you increase the chance that your opponent is going to make an error. Today, I have some drone footage that's going to show you exactly why it works. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. There are a few reasons to hit a deep serve. The two most common are to force a short return and to get a little extra time for you to get to the non-volley zone. The drone footage that I have for you today is going to show you exactly why it works so well. Before we get to that, if you don't want to miss the latest in pickleball, especially for people who are over 50, make sure you hit the subscribe and then the bell notification. That way you'll know whenever I post a new video. First, let's take a look at this footage in real time, and then we'll do it in slow-mo and we'll break down why the deep serve works so well. Let's break down how the winning drive was set up by the deep serve. I'm trying to force a short return, giving me more options on the third shot and making it easier to execute. The serve bounces in the back quarter of the court and pushes Jeannie several feet behind the baseline. Since she starts further back, it'll take her longer to get to the non-volley zone. Although it doesn't happen every time, in this instance, Dana and I get exactly what we hope for, a short return. What you can't see from this vantage point is the ball bounces above net height. Whenever I get a short, high bouncing ball, I prefer the drive to a drop. You'll also notice that the short shot allows my partner and I to start moving toward the non-volley zone. Where should I hit the drive? Since Jeannie started well behind the baseline, when I'm ready to contact the ball, the point where she should split step, she's short of the non-volley zone. If I directed the drive towards her, it's likely she has to hit the ball while moving, making the return more difficult. However, after the serve, I noticed her partner, Peter, take a step towards the center of the court, and when he wasn't sure where she was, he leaned to cover the middle. This left the sideline open for the drive. Now Peter can change the direction pretty quickly, but since he's already leaning toward the center, chances are if he's fast enough to block the shot, it would come off the paddle softly and we would be able to defend the next shot. In this case, I catch him leaning too far to the center to recover and hit a winner behind him. If you need to learn how to make your serve deeper, make sure that you check out this playlist right over here. It's built just for you. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, or better yet, share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.